A retractable tonneau cover will give you coverage and protection without making it difficult to get inside your truck bed. You can retract or open the cover as much or as little as you'd like to reach whatever's inside. These versatile and adaptable covers offer security and flexibility, and you can still haul large or oddly sized items whenever it's needed. And there are plenty of different kinds and styles of tonneau covers to choose from. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best retractable tonneau cover. So let's get started. Number 5. Bak Industries Rollback G2 Cover. Bak is one brand that I highly regard due to the quality of its products. They make stellar covers, some of which I have reviewed before. And let me tell you that they never fail to disappoint. Let's see if the Rollback G2 Hard Retractable Tonneau Cover provides the same level of quality as its other counterparts. The material of choice for this tonneau cover is aluminum, just like all the ones before this one. Brands use aluminum because it is light and extremely durable. It is also resistant to rust and corrosion, which means it is better for people who live in humid environments. The aluminum is powder coated. This prevents UV damage to the cover and also increases its scratch resistance. The brand also states that the cover is water resistant. This means that your cargo will remain protected from water due to rain or even in a car wash. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 4. Sonetikusa Aluminium Tonneau Cover. Specifically made for the Ford F-150, this tonneau cover from the brand Sonetikusa is compatible with the truck's 2004 to 2021 models. It has been built to last with its top-of-the-class durability and ease of use. As stated in the title, this product is made of aluminum, which is extremely strong. In addition, it has been coated with a matte finish which creates a low-profile design alongside better protection from UV rays and scratches. They also guarantee that these will fully protect your items from all sorts of weather conditions. Whether it be rain, snow or wind, your cargo will remain isolated from it. So, you can take your truck out during any weather, and rest assured that the bed of your truck will remain dry. The security of this cover is also top-notch, because it being a retractable one, it can be locked in any position. So, you can open the cover as much as you want. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 3. Retrax Pro MX Tonneau Cover. Taking up the third spot is a retractable tonneau cover by the brand Retrax Pro. It has been designed for the latest and greatest models of the Silverado and Sierra. Unlike the previous covers that have to be adjusted manually, this brand is remotely operated. How cool is that? You can choose the amount of space you want and lock it at any place along the bed of the truck. This makes it very convenient to use. These have been designed with durability in mind. It is so durable that it can support up to 500 pounds of force on it. It is a whole new layer for you to store items on, given that they are evenly distributed. You can put anything on the cover as the matte finish makes sure it will not get scratched that easily. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 2. RollNLock M Series Tonneau Cover. Although this product has an incomparable number of reviews compared to the Gator Recoil cover, it still is an excellent choice for those who want one for their Dodge Ram. In addition, it is compatible with the 2009 to 2020 models of the truck, making its compatibility one of the excellent on this article. One of the main reasons for this RollNLock M Series tonneau cover to earn such a high spot is that its canister has the most compact design out of all the retractable covers on the list. As a result, it allows you to utilize the maximum space of your truck's bed. Unlike the previous one, which had aluminum on top, this brand has a vinyl over aluminum design. So you get the best of both worlds, with the durability of aluminum and the low-profile look of a vinyl cover. In addition, the hinge of the cover has a patented design and allows for easy rotation. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 1. Gator Recoil Tonneau Cover. Coming in the first place, with a huge lead, is the retractable tonneau cover by the brand Gator Covers. With over 2,000 5-star reviews, this easily is the excellent option out there. Let's get into the details to figure out what makes it so special. The top of the cover comprises aluminum slats that have been painted matte black and have been given a powdered coating to prevent rusting and corrosion. Plus, the black finish makes it look way cooler. The quality of materials and the construction is top-notch, as the cover is made in the USA. You can be sure that you will receive a product that has been through extreme quality control inspections to make sure it is good for consumer use. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. That was our list of the top 5 best retractable tonneau cover just for you.